Good morning, students. I'm your SAJ sir. Here we go with the fourth volume of the chapter Internal Reconstruction. Consider question number 7. X Limited passed a resolution for internal reconstruction. Due to heavy losses, the following scheme was adopted. So they have gone for the following scheme, where 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid, be reduced to same number of equity shares of rupees 6 each, fully paid. So here 4 rupees is foregone. You are asked here to prepare a cap reduction account as well as to pass the journal entries. So the foregone amount will appear in the cap reduction account on credit side. 7% 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, these are the whole shares, are being reduced to 7.5% fully paid preference shares of rupees 7 each. So even here also there is a reduction of rupees 3 per share. That reduction or the foregone amount will be taken to the cap reduction account on credit side. The assets being written off, all these are the three assets. That is a profit and loss account, there is a goodwill of 10,000, other fixed assets. To the extent possible implies whatever the difference, normally whatever the difference we get, that we transfer to capital reserve account. End alli cap reduction account difference brodana cap reserve account ge transfer ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So difference you write against the fixed assets. There were arrears of preference dividends for last 3 years which was not shown in the balance sheet, and the preference shareholders agreed to forego this amount. See, which was not shown, this is the highlight for us. This was not shown in the balance sheet. So anything which is not shown in the balance sheet, given only in the adjustments, if foregone, ignore that entry, need not to pass an entry for it. Well, in the notes part you can observe, I have given you, see the notes which you have got it xeroxed. Note I have given points to be noted just before the problems. That's in page number 3, third page alli nodi. Here you can find no entry should be passed for cancellation of any contingent liability such as arrears of preference dividends etc. given outside the balance sheet. So whatever given outside the balance sheet, you need not to bother. So need not to pass any entry for it. Hope you have understood. Hence even in this problem, for this there will not be any entry. If the same would have been given in the balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಫೋರ್ಗೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can take in the cap reduction account on credit side, because that is a decrease in the liability considered. Okay, so that can be taken in the cap reduction account on credit side. Now you can go for a note part. So this is what I had given. Arrears of preference dividends foregone is not taken to cap reduction account because it is given outside the balance sheet. Next you can go for a cap reduction account, take the columns. So in the cap reduction account you are aware, whatever being reduced, capital alli decrease aitu andre adu credit side barutade. Decrease in the capital will be taken on credit side and increase in the asset will be taken on credit side. Now here there are two decreases are there in the liability. So these two amounts you write on credit side. Here regarding equity shares 4 rupees is foregone, and in preference shares case 3 rupees is foregone. So these two will appear on credit side. So write by equity share capital account, that is 10,000 shares into 4 rupees, that's a foregone amount. Again by preference share capital, there 10,000 shares into 3 rupees each, that gives you 30,000. Similarly here as per point number C, these two amounts are being written off. So those two you can take to profit and loss account 45,000 and to goodwill account 10,000. Still the balance is taken as written off against the fixed assets. So 2 fixed assets account you can take. This is the capital reduction account. You can pass it down and you can write down. So next you can take the journal entries. Go for a journal entries. The first journal entry for this reduction, equity share capital account debit, the old one, 1 lakh, give a credit to, again equity share capital account, new, so 10,000 shares into 6 each, 60,000, and the balance which we have already taken here, 40,000, that should be taken against the capital reduction account. Then you can go for the next entry, preference share capital account, that is the old, how much is that? 10,000 shares into 10 each, so that you can take. New, again 10,000 shares into 7 each, so that gives you 70,000 and the difference 30,000. Then you take capital reduction account debit. So these two amounts you can take, that is one is 40,000 and that is 30,000, totally 70,000 you are going to get. 2 profit and loss account, 45,000 and 10,000, and still the difference 15,000. So whatever we have taken here, this is what capital reduction account debited, and a credit is being given to all these items. So you can take in that case straight. And this is 6 rupees each, is being reduced to 6 each. So you can pass it down and write down. Well, you can consider next the 8th question. So when you are given a balance sheet like this directly, it's you have to decide by yourself, because some informations may not be given directly in the adjustments here. Okay, so you have to think by yourself which are the fictitious assets to be written off compulsorily. You can see here there is profit and loss account, preliminary expenses and goodwill. So these 3 items compulsory one has to write off unless or otherwise given in the problem. Okay, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಲೆಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಲೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆ ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ even goodwill also should be erased completely if sufficient amount is there. There are 2 creditors, it's a share capital here. One is a preference share capital, another is a equity share capital, and creditors are also there. BOD is there. Following scheme of reconstruction was being adopted. Rupees 10 preference shares were to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 8 each. There is reduction now. 2 rupees is foregone by them now, so it is being reduced to 8. 2 rupees is a foregone amount which will be transferred to capital reduction account. Again, equity shares are being reduced to 5 each, so there also again 5 under 10, 5 rupees is foregone by them. Creditors agreed to forego 8,000, so entry is to be made separately for this. Ega creditors ge, because creditors are foregoing this, very simple entry there, creditors account debit to capital reduction account, whatever the amount being foregone. Astine adi simple irutte. And the amount available was to be utilized to the nominal assets and the balance, if any, to be written off against a goodwill account. Iga iveradu nominal accounts, that is a loss as well as preliminary expenses. These are the nominal accounts. Okay, nominal assets. Remember, fictitious assets are nominal assets, and which let's say expenses and losses astine nominal antandre. So here it is being taken, that will be erased completely. Along with that, if any difference now will be taken for goodwill. So goodwill may not be fully written off here. That is the indication. Okay. So start with the journal entries. Go for it. You go one by one. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಒಂದಾದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್, ಅದನ್ನ 50,000 ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So old preference shares 50,000 are there. Okay, now there is a new issue. They are being reduced to rupees 8 each. So 2 again equity share, preference share capital account, 5,000 shares into 8 each, 40,000, and still the difference that is being transferred to capital reduction account, that is 10,000. How you are getting this? That is what I said. Illi 10 and 8, 2 rupees is 4 gone there. Okay, so you can take there 10,000. Then equity share capital account debit, that is a old share capital. Here you can find again 5,000 shares of rupees 10 each are there. So that gives you 50,000 debit column. Again 2 new equity share capital, 5,000 shares into 5 rupees each. So that gives you 25,000, and still the difference 25,000 transferred to capital reduction account. And next you can go for creditors. It's a simple entry. This is what I said. Creditors foregone. Illi old creditors new creditors anta tagobardu. Direct agi creditors account debit to capital reduction account anta tagoli. To that extent the amount is being reduced. That's it. Then to the fourth entry, capital reduction account debit. Illi capital reduction account alli nodi 3 amounts ide. Ondu illi 10,000, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 25,000, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 8,000 credit ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಮೂರನ್ನು add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that total you are getting 43,000, and give a credit to other amounts there. Profit and loss account anta helide, adu 2,500. There is a profit and loss account given here, and there is a preliminary expenses of 3,000, that also you take up. Then whatever the difference, take to goodwill account. So goodwill account cannot be written off completely because available amount is only 43,000. When the goodwill amount is 1 lakh, still goodwill need to be written off. Okay, so this is you need to enter here. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು 10 rupees, not 100. Well, you can concentrate. The next question, question number 9. Following is the balance sheet of Zenith Limited as on 31/3/2021. So given on liability side, there is a share capital, BOD is there, creditors are there. On asset side, you can find these two are to say fictitious assets which has to be written off compulsorily whether it is given in the adjustments or not. Idana compulsory write off ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ goodwill ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು write off ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? The company adopted the following scheme of internal reconstruction. Reduce the present value of shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. 10 each should be reduced to rupees 5 each. Okay, so 5 rupees is 4 gone there. That will be transferred to capital reduction account. Sundry creditors agreed to forego 20% of their claims as the company decided to pay them cash immediately. Nodi, creditors there are 15,000 creditors are there. In that 20% they are foregoing, but in return for which they have to get the balance amount in full immediately. At the balance na cash alli immediate payment ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಏನು entry ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, creditors account debit to capital reduction account 20% ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ to bank account the remaining amount that is being paid off. That is the entry there. The company made a fresh issue of 6,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid and pay off the bank overdraft completely. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ 6,000 shares into 5 each, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು equity share capital, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. Then for payment of the bank overdraft, it is being paid off. Therefore BOD account debit to bank account, BOD account debit to bank account, that is the entry which you have to pass for this point. 2 entries you have to pass here. The directors of the company found that the machinery is overvalued by 10,000. Now you reduce it. 10,000 should be written off from the machinery. They also proposed to write off intangible assets and profit and loss account completely. So which are the intangible assets here? Only one, that is a goodwill account. Along with that, these two fictitious assets compulsorily you have to write off. Okay. Pass a journal entries. So take the columns barkoli. First, reduce the present value of shares to ₹5 each. So idana tagoli old equity share capital account debit ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ equity shares ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So equity share capital account debit 1 lakh. Give a credit to again equity share capital account, that's a new, only 5,000. And to capital reduction account, the difference amount. Adu 10,000 shares into 5 each 50, and here also 50,000, that is the difference amount. Okay. One entry is over. What is the next here? Point B. Sundry creditors agreed to forego 20% of their claims as the company decided to pay them cash immediately. So here what is happening? The creditors entire 15,000 you take because entire is reduced now here. And the creditors alli kadime aagta ide. Idu journal entry, idena rules of debit and credit you should never forget. Please have a glance at whenever there is idu ಈ ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ 15,000 is being reduced. So creditors account should be debited. Give a credit to. What is the amount foregone by them? That is being transferred to capital reduction account. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 15,000 into 20%, 3,000. How much is the amount paid to them? The difference amount, bank account. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ capital reduction account ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it's a reserve one way being created here. Otherwise you can consider as a capital itself. There is a capital reduction account is taken as a capital amount, right? There is an increase in the capital amount. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು liability. So liability ಇಲ್ಲಿ capital ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಪೇ ಟು ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ so that you can understand the entries properly. And next is regarding this third. The company made a fresh issue of 6,000 shares. Here equity share capital is increasing. It's a liability. Increase ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ. So take a bank account debit, give a credit to equity share capital account. This you are aware for the issue of shares. And the next entry in the same point, that is for repayment of the bank overdraft. Again here you see BOD is a liability. Liability ಏನಾಯ್ತು, decrease ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ when you repay, okay, there is a decrease. Therefore that should be debited. At the same time, how you are repaying? Through an asset. What is the asset? Bank balance you are using. So bank ಅಲ್ಲಿ decrease ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So what is that? BOD account debit. Give a credit to asset. Which is the asset here? Yes, bank account. So take that. Next entry, BOD account debit to bank account. That is 15,425. That's amount payable BOD. So BOD is completed. Next it is given regarding this, the directors. There are three assets here: goodwill, profit and loss account, and preliminary expenses hidden, which is given in the balance sheet directly taken. Apart from that, you have to take even for a machinery 10,000 you have to reduce. Still the difference, if at all, can be transferred to capital reserve account. ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಏನು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 53,000 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಇದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 50,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 3000. ಎರಡೇ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. only two places there is a credit. ಅವೆರಡೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 50,000 ಒಂದು, 3,000, 53,000 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ 3 ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ 3? ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? 10,000 ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ that you can take. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, debit side is more, still you will get a difference on credit side that you can take to capital reserve account. ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. How much is the difference? It is 10,700 is the difference. Okay, so you can pass down and you can write down well. Tomorrow in our next video we shall see how to prepare a balance sheet. Okay, so I've been telling you, please don't keep yourself quiet, keep working on it, keep completing the notes part as and when I take the class, or as and when you see this, and do subscribe to the channel. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe it, so that whatever the other videos I do upload, you keep getting it immediately. Thank you.